look at this. We are out to solve this. Don't worry, okay? I'm going to make it simple for you, okay? Look at this. 60, 30, 60, 30. Wow, I'm so happy because these are special angles. All I need to do is just to remember the diagram. That say here is 30, here is 60, okay? Here is 1, here is 2, here is square root of 3. The next thing I should remember now is show car toi. That is all I need to remember before I start anything, okay? So now we need to do replacement, substitution. The first one is tan. This is tan, T. Opposite over adjacent. So, and it is 60. That is 60 here. Opposite is this, square root of 3. Adjacent is 1. So this is what? Square root of 3 over 1. Minus, we go for 30. And it is still tan. Opposite over adjacent. 30. Opposite over adjacent. That is 1 over the square root of 3. All over. We go for the denominator now. Tan 60. Tan 60. As you can see, tan 60, tan 60. So no need to waste our time. I will copy this. I put here. Then this one is tan 30. Tan 30. I will just copy this. I put here. Plus 1 over square root of 3. That is all. All you need to do next now is to remember your sword. Knowledge your sword. Because of the square root. If you don't know sword, I've treated sword in this class. Okay? So all we need to do now is to first of all work on the numerator. But with this now, we should stop and rationalize. Remember, you have 1 over the square root of 3. To rationalize, you multiply the numerator and the denominator by the same thing. You have square root of 3 over 3. So this one is square root of 3 over 1 minus square root of 3 over 3. All over the denominator. The same thing with this. Same square root of 3 over 3. Okay? Now let's work on this now. To work on this now, you agree with me. You find the LCM of 3 and 1 is 3. This becomes 3 square root of 3 minus square root of 3. All over these two. 3, okay? That is 3 square root of 3 plus square root of 3, okay? Now we continue. This will simply give us, it's like you are saying 3s minus x. That is 2x, okay? That is 2 square root of 3. All over 3. For this upper one, then all over. This all over again. This and this will give us 4 square root of 3 over 3, okay? Then we flip this. That is 2 square root of 3 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 4 square root of 3. This will cancel this. This will cancel this. 2 here 1, 2 here 2. So it means our answer is 1 over 2. Okay? Our answer for this question is 1 over 2. Hope you can see this clearly.